Small words, but a big difference. Just choosing between in, on, or at can change the entire meaning of your sentence. Let's make these place prepositions crystal clear, and let's do it fast. We'll use one simple thinking trick. In is for inside or enclosed spaces. On is for touching a surface. And at is for a specific point or location. I'll show you examples, point out common traps, and then we'll do a quick practice. Part 1. In. Use in when something is inside an area, a container, or any enclosed space. For example, she is in the kitchen. They live in London. Put the clothes in the drawer. Part 2. On. Use on when something is on top of a surface. Examples: the cup is on the table. There's a poster on the wall. We had a picnic on the beach. Part 3. At. Use at for a specific point, a precise address, or the location of an activity. Think of it as a pin on a map rather than being inside or on top of something. Examples: meet me at the station. I'm at 221B Baker Street. She's at the party. Now, watch out for these tricky cases. For transport, use on for larger or public vehicles, like on the bus, on the train, on the plane. But use in for smaller enclosed vehicles, like in a car or in a taxi. For addresses and meeting points, use at the corner, at the bus stop. For institutions, native speakers often say at university, meaning they are attending that institution, while in is used for being inside the physical building or a department. Now, let's try a few. Say these out loud with me. The letter is the envelope. In. Her bag is the chair. On. I'll wait for you, the corner. At. Good! You're already using them correctly. Now, let's look at some common mistakes learners often make. Mistake number 1. When the object is clearly inside something. Wrong. I put the keys on the box. Fix. I put the keys in the box. Just ask yourself, is it inside or on top? Mistake number 2. Wrong. She is on the kitchen. Fix. She is in the kitchen. Remember, rooms and buildings, we usually use in. Mistake number 3. With public transport. Wrong. I'm in the bus. Fix. I'm on the bus. The exception is if it's a small private vehicle, but for public transport, always prefer on. Mistake number 4. Using in with a specific address. Wrong. I live in 221B Baker Street. Fix. I live at 221B Baker Street. Think of an address as a point on a map. Mistake number 5. At home versus in my home. Both can be correct, but we most commonly say, I'm at home. Use in my home if you really want to emphasize being inside the physical structure. So here's your quick solution strategy. For every sentence, ask yourself 3 questions. Is it inside? Then use in. Is it on a surface? Then use on. Is it a meeting point, an address, or a specific point? Then use at. Get into the habit of running through this 3-question check quickly in your head before you speak. Okay, let's test what you've learned with a quick quiz. I'll give you 5 questions. Pick the correct option. Question 1. The book is on the table. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, over. The answer is B, on. Question 2. She is waiting the bus stop. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, inside? The answer is C, at. Question 3. Meet me, the bus stop, at 5. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, to. Correct answer, C, at. Question 4. Which preposition is most natural for public transport where passengers can stand and move around? A, in, B, on, C, at, D, by. Correct answer, B, on. Question 5. Complete this sentence. British-US difference. After the accident, he was taken hospital. A, to the, B, to, C, in, D, at. What do you think? Leave your answer in the comments below. Great work today! In our next video, we'll cover the third part of prepositions, all about verb plus preposition. So don't miss it. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know your answer to question 5 in the comments. I'll be checking.